I'm Hunter Hayes, and I made a mechanical toy boat. As you can see there, the oars move and it rolls on 3 wheels on the bottom. I made this with my partner Luke Joyce. The wheels, they had to be manually operated. Well, everything had to be manually operated, but the wheels and the oars were perfectly like that. The motion should be cause and effect. The wheels, it was about a 3 on a scale of 1 to 5. And the 2 oars were 4s. It was made of wood, so that worked on all pieces. It must be a freestanding toy. The wheels were pretty much freestanding, but the oars were not. It had a footprint that did exceed 6 inches in depth, 12 inches in width, and 10 inches in height. And all pieces had that. And it had a minimum of 3 separate motions. Everything but the oars did. The boat was made so when the simple wheels turned, the oars would move, and it rocks around and rolls back and forth depending on how you push it. The original design was to make a person on top, but we ended up making a speedboat looking piece. We made the oars for it, but made it twice. The second time I got it right. Our newest design was to make edits in the base of the boat so that everything could go together by inserting it into the sides and bottom of the boat. We decided to make a speedboat top for our boat. The easy parts were doing the dimensions and the designing of the parts. They were the easiest thing we did because our parts worked on both computers. Complications. Some complications were we had where when we were doing the explosion and the assembly, the parts didn't all want to come up on my computer. When it did, he had to work on the part of it and send it to me so that I could do what I needed. My conclusion questions. What does the boat do? It rolls and the oars move. What was the biggest complication in the project? The biggest complication that I had was when the computer wouldn't load my partner's parts, so I couldn't finish the assembly. And what could have made the project easier? It would have made the project easier if I could have been in a closer environment and if we would have got along better. I could improve on that too, but also if my computer would have worked right and loaded everything.